Hey guys, good morning. In this video, I'm going to analyze Nifty Future. I will first do a quick recap of what happened in yesterday's session, which is Monday. And based on that, I will make a trading plan for Tuesday. Okay. So for Tuesday, we will make a trading plan based on the technicals of Monday. Okay. So now if we see on Monday, what happened is that Nifty futures more or less opened flat. Okay, there was a flattish opening, and throughout the day, it kept on moving on upside. Then there was a long consolidation during the day, and upon touching the VWAP, there was one more upthrust on the upside. However, at 11,430 at this level, Nifty faced strong resistance and then there was a sharp decline, almost 120 points decline in no time. Now, this has become a feature of Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see the same thing happened on Friday as well. And it was on this day that I had uploaded a live video on YouTube and we had shot it over here. And I said that the way markets are moving, I will not be surprised if we take down this entire support. So after I uploaded the video, Nifty fell down by almost 200 points. Okay, so now coming to Tuesday's session. For Tuesday, my mob level, the trend deciding level is 11,366. So the mob level for Tuesday is 11,366. This is also the VWAP of today's session. Okay. Now, what I am expecting to outplay in Nifty futures on Tuesday is that the VWAP, today's VWAP will take resistance. We might probe this level, which is your 11,390. Okay, so we might trade above the mob level slightly and we will fail on the downside. So this is my expectation. Now it might open gap down and touch the downside level first and then it might go on upside. That is also possible because so far we do not know where the markets are going to open. Okay, but the idea is that if it is below mob, it is bearish, and if it is above mob, it is bullish. And we have to note down the levels on upside as well as on downsides. Okay, so for tomorrow, the mob level stands at 11,366, and I will not be surprised to see a slight test of this zone, which is 11,400. Okay, so if it is sustaining above this 11,366, if it is sustaining, then I might go for long for this quick 30-40 points on upside, but my bias will be on the short side. Okay, so there are a couple of ways in which the trades can set up. Say for example, if it is sustaining above the mob level and then we take a small long trade, we book at 11,400, then it might do something like this, that uh, it stays above the mob level, touches this area and then starts to come down again. So in that case, I will short over here, put this as a stop loss, and I will look to book on the downside level. So what are my downside levels for tomorrow? I'm looking at 11,320, which is almost close to today's low. So 11,320, and I am looking at one more level, which is 11,255. 11,255, which is somewhere close to this area. Okay, so 11,366 is the mob Above that, 11,400 can be touched, and I might try for long trade with a very tight stop loss, but my preference will be to look for short side. So on the downside, my targets are 11,320 and 11,255. Okay. Now, what is the expected range for tomorrow? The expected range is again uh, 11,255 to 11,400. So I'm expecting 150 points range only in Nifty for tomorrow. Nifty futures, this is I'm talking about. Okay. Uh, Now coming to some analysis on daily chart. So this is the important mob level on in the short term. This portion, this line is an important mob level for me. So this stands at 11,000. 300, 11,310, so approximately that 10-15 point band. So now the thing is, uh, you have a bigger resistance on the upside which was tested today, and markets fell down. Now if you move below this mob level, then you have same equal length of downside movement, downside scope also, right? So basically what is happening in Nifty is that Nifty is now trading in this big box, nothing else. Okay. And it is divided in two equal portions in this manner. So couple of days it might trade here, and then couple of days it might again trade here. Okay. So this is a very simple you know, understanding of what is going on in the market. Now there's one more chart pattern wise, if you see. So I think this is a bear flag which is going to unfold. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and in this manner, this bear flag should break down sooner or later. Okay, so this is quite a possibility. Even if we see on daily chart, it is looking like a bear flag. If you see, if it's making a bear flag kind of structure. Now this similar structure was seen after the May, or somewhere in May or June. I do not remember the exact date, but yeah, it is this portion, see, over here. So I think it is July first week, somewhere in July first week, we had seen this same portion, this same chart formation. So this is what I'm seeing as of now, and I think sooner or later this will break down till here. Okay. Now markets are such these days that you have to take each day as it comes. No point in forecasting what can happen. But yeah, the possibility remains that we are in a tight bear market, and there are many logic which can be used to prove that. A very simple one being the time cycles. Okay. So anyways, I wanted to make a weekly video review in which I wanted to talk about all those things, but since I was not well, I couldn't make the video. So probably in the coming week, for the next weekend, I will make an upload. In that I will talk a lot about the long term cycles and all those things. Talking about tomorrow, so I've mentioned all the levels. So my best area to short will be somewhere over here for 11,320 and 11,255. Mob level is 11,366. A probe at 11,400 is quite possible, quite likely, but that is a probe. Okay, so there's a difference between strength and there's a difference between probing a level. Okay, so if it goes at 11,400, that doesn't mean that it's a strength. Okay, unless it manages to close above 11,420 in that case. So yeah, so there's a trade plan for tomorrow, and I will try to make live videos as well if time permits. Yeah, so I hope you like the video, and please share it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, so tomorrow again we'll meet, and tomorrow I'll try to upload the video uh, in evening only, so that you get time to watch it and then frame your trades accordingly. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet tomorrow. And have a good trading day. And thank you so much. Yeah, take care. Bye.